Little Acre, I was introduced to this project on a very initial stage. We were involved in this project for every decision making, defining areas, discussing pros and cons. Client always welcome me for the advice regarding interiors, branding, defining areas, either it may be kitchen or the other services. They always respect my opinion. In Little Acre, we have come up with cafe, banquets, restaurant, and few sets of room. Each area has its own definition and ambience. When you are here for a cup of coffee with your friends and chit chat, so giving that informal atmosphere with exclusiveness was a key for of designing. Raw ceiling, raw walls look like very less efforts, and but it's not really like that. You have to work on each and every area you're working on to give a proper look and feel what are you looking for. We have played with a lot of artwork in this cafe. The old novel concept is the heart of this cafe. This is so much loved by everyone that fixing so many novels was a great effort. We fixed it, and the next day few of them fell down. Again we fix it, and the next morning we come and like few more are fell down. Finally we nailed it. Center partition, I try to give the roadside eatery feeling. Love this feeling when you're chilling in the outdoor by the city, and we didn't had this opportunity to plan outdoor as we are not blessed with the good weather conditions here. So adding a pole light in the center and sitting both side of it was the best we can do, as we want to create a partition between the two people sitting on the both side. It works really well. On the other hand, there was a list of wanderlust with mesh, giving an extraordinary details to it. Got it painted on the site by airbrush technique, and this wonderful piece of art in such big sizes directly on the wall was done so quickly and smoothly. You just needed a right person in the right place to do it. Distracted furniture, well complemented with the raw interiors. Coffee and cookie in neon light, the logo what you can see behind the counter. Everything we have done to attract the youth. What they like the most these days. Spend them good quality time here with their friends and families. On the first floor, we have banquet that we call it Amber's. For this banquet, there is an entrance lobby with a beautiful sitting and the wallpaper used by Sabyasachi. And this banquet was the area. It requires to be very much jazzy because the people coming over here are very much well dressed. So this area has to be super lit up with a good wall paneling. So what we have played, we have customized the triangular chandelier in the ceiling. That is the main attraction of this area. And we have used veneer from Duro and bronze glass on the walls to give the infinity look. So best of the materials what we could arrange during the COVID times because we couldn't travel much. For the fine dining area, when you enter, there's a good, round art piece on the wall. That's all the area has been done in that airbrush painting manually, and that's a quite interesting part of the project. And the partition, the entrance, the door, we have used fluted glass and copper mirror into it, with again a new classical touch and with some curves into it with use of pigment paint. A lot of integrated detailing has been used in this area, and the on main feature wall, like when you enter in this area, we have placed some paintings and gold leafing with again the floral theme matching to our Indian theme, that Sabyasachi wallpaper. So everything is very much complemented with each other, and the furniture also going very well with the theme. Like we have used all the oriental chairs and the blue sofa in velvet, and a few of my chairs are in golden color. So we will connect in the area. It's gelling so much with each other. Basement banquet, it's again a very beautiful area and it's a very glamorous area. The flooring is done into Burberry beige, and because the flooring is very simple and we have used very loud colors in the wall. We have used crimson pen color wallpaper with a lot of golden figures into it, and matching to that, the fabric paneling for the acoustic thing has also been taken care of into the same color with a highlight of golden moldings. And the two walls we have covered with veneer, up this veneer paneling, and use a lot of metal work into it to highlight the design part. And again, the ceiling, the chandelier is customized and given some good curve in the ceiling to enhance design of the area. This banquet is very glamorous, so somebody coming here for the party and all, so I'm sure definitely this will solve the purpose and give you a very luxurious feeling. So I think you should definitely come and see this area and enjoy the best of the interiors we have done so far in this town. We got this project just before the COVID. I think I got this project in October 2019, and that time only that we start hearing about the COVID thing and all. So we were just in the planning phase and we were just defining the areas and just making our color palette. And here we are with the lockdown thing happened, and then we were just stuck and we couldn't buy anything. Like then we have so much of restrictions to travel. So all the materials we had to buy from in the town only. So that was a great challenge, and we managed to cope up, and the best of the work we can do. And we are so amazed with this challenge also. We have come up with such a beautiful property. With the God grace, I would like to thanks to my parents, built me so strong and so independent that I can handle these kind of projects independently. Then I would like to thanks to my client who has shown their trust on me, and they have given me opportunity to do whatever I imagine and design for their premises, and they have given me the complete free hand for that. And then I would like to thanks to my team member who has given their best of the efforts and their hard work. This project won't be possible. Thank you.